Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I want to show you how to take long screenshot on your ALCATEL 1B 2022. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must go to the application which supports long screenshots, settings, Google Play Store or Google Chrome, something like have more than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. And where we are on it, we press volume down and power case together as to make normal screenshot. And there scroll. Now we must wait a second and we tap the screen when we have all we need. Maybe right now, and click done. And that's all, we have our long screenshot. To save it, we press this icon on the right corner. And we have it in our gallery. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!